Hi, welcome back to Drink Tutorials. My name is Christopher Day. I'm the brand ambassador for Black Cow Vodka from West Dorset, England, which if you'd like to know more about it, please click the link below. But being a vodka guy, I heard Leander talking some shit about it last time, and I had to rectify it just a little bit by showing him that you can, in fact, make a delicious vodka-based martini. Very easy to make, but the technique is what it's all about. But before technique, you need to start, of course, with really good quality ingredients. Good vodka, a good dry vermouth, and whichever garnish you feel like using. I prefer an olive in the middle of the day, personally. Second thing you want to worry about is your proportions. Leandro talked about doing a 2-to-1 proportion last time. For a vodka martini, I prefer a 3-to-1. So 1 part dry vermouth to 3 parts of our vodka. And you will note that there's already ice in here. Normally you want to avoid doing something like that because you don't want to start diluting before you're ready to mix. But in this case, Leandro has beautiful block ice, which melts incredibly slowly, so it gives you a lot of control over your dilution. So the thing you really want to worry about right now is your chill. And that's all you really have to worry about with ice this big. So you can take your time, make sure you're doing it right, tell a story. Speaking of stories, did you know that there's an actual name for the vodka martini? It's written in multiple books. Really, I mean it. You want to guess what it is? So every single time I have found an old Mr. Boston book or Esquire book back from the 30s or 40s, I've always come across the vodka martini recipe, but they've always labeled it as a kangaroo. Don't know what the etymology of that is. I don't expect anyone to be talking about a kangaroo cocktail anytime soon. That'll always be a vodka martini, but just thought you might want to know about that. So another fun thing about using ice this big, if you're using block ice and you do crack it, always crack your ice first and leave that at the bottom and use big blocks of ice at the top. That'll help insulate your spirit, your cocktail, keep it really cold, keep all of the cool air rushing down, and yeah, so it'll also help control your chill. So once we are done with this, glass is looking frosty. We can pour that into our martini glass or cocktail glass or what have you. And if Leandro would do me the honors to taste this and make sure I did right. Leandro?
All right, let's see.
Yep, moment of truth, guys. Yeah?
That's pretty goddamn good. The kangaroo.
Game, set, match. Cheers.
And I just want to say one thing for you guys. I'm going to have to stand close because he's got the lav mic. Just so you guys know, we are experiencing a little construction on our set. And so you're going to hear a little bit of hammering. And for that, I truly apologize. But all you got to do is make one of these and you'll forgive us.
You can sleep through it even.